Welcome to Padu Motivations. I'm going to show you how to use the car wash mode in your Tesla Model 3. I'm actually at the car wash right now. It's over there, and then we're going to go into it in a minute. And there's a few things that I think you're going to need to know before you go into the car wash, because it's totally different in a Tesla than in a gas-powered vehicle. So let's get into it. Well, first of all, Tesla does not recommend you going into an automatic car wash. They recommend touchless car wash. So we're actually going to go into it. I do this only because it's close to the house, and I've done it a few times, and I didn't really see any scratches or anything. So we're just going to show you how to do it, because it'll be another option for you, just in case you don't have a touchless car wash around. Look how dirty this vehicle is. So as you can see, it really, really needs car wash, and we're going to show you before how dirty it is, and after I leave. Okay, I am rolling up into the automatic car wash right now. So this is it, and we're going to go ahead and put it in car wash mode in a moment. Okay, I'm entering the car wash now. So to put it in car wash mode, you want to press your car icon. You want to go to service, and then you want to go to car wash mode. And then car wash mode, what this is going to do, it's going to, of course, to enter car wash. So what it's going to do is, there's a bunch of things it's going to do. It's going to turn Sentry mode off. It's going to keep, most importantly, the front closed, the trunk closed, a lot of things. It's going to keep your charge port closed so no water gets in there. Also, the automatic wipers is going to keep that off, because like I have mine on automatic, so that means if it starts raining, the windshield wipers are going to automatically come on. You don't want that to come on while you're going through the car wash. So also what you want to do is, I'm about to fold the mirrors, so you can fold the mirrors right here. As you can see, the mirrors are folded. And then of course, when we leave, we can unfold. Here's very important what we're going to do. We're going to enable free roll, because once you get into the actual car wash itself, they're going to tell you to put it in neutral. So instead of you putting in neutral, you're going to enable free roll, which is going to put you in neutral. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to drive on now, because somebody looks like they're waiting to get go. And as you can see now, really pay attention to how this is done. I'm telling you, my first time doing this, oh boy, I did it. Man, I didn't even go through all this. I wish I watched a video like this. So as you can see, the young lady is kind of guiding me in. And in a minute, I'm going to step my foot on the brake. And then the enable free roll. See, I'm ready to go. She's got the smile going, telling me to go. She's going to tell me to stop in a minute. So I just keep on rolling. Stop. Once I stop, now I'm going to enable free roll. Bam. I'm in neutral now. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I have everything under control. Kind of like car wash. It's kind of relaxing going through this. As you can see, everything is looking good. Look at that beautiful sunroof. I like that. We're going to see what kind of job it does. Of course, it shuts down everything, which is really good. And then once we're actually done, we're going to hit that exit car wash. That's the last step of this whole thing. We're going to exit car wash. Here it is. I'm curious to see what kind of a job it does today. I live in sunny Phoenix, Arizona, and your car doesn't get real grimy, dirty, like, some places. It just gets really dusty. Hey, we live in the desert, so it's nothing but dirt and dust. Sometimes you can actually just hose your car down. I do that a lot as well. Sometimes I just hose my car down and wipe it down, which is kind of cool. But this is kind of nice as well. So pretty soon we're gonna exit the car wash. Exit car wash. And so what I'm gonna do is once we leave here, exit car wash, and then I'm gonna unfold my mirrors. That's all I have to do, and then I'm gonna have you look at the vehicle and see how it looks. Okay. You know what? So far it looks pretty good already. All right, so it's telling me to go. I'm gonna exit car wash mode. I really should have unfolded the mirrors first, but that's what you should do first. But if all else fails, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna use voice command. Check it out. Unfold mirrors. Bam. So that's it. Now let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Okay, we just got it washed. Check it out, man. It didn't do that bad. What you think? Beautiful. I'm gonna tell you though, these Tesla Model 3s are beautiful, beautiful car. So listen, I do appreciate you listening to me, and also, hey, subscribe if you like content like this. Like, subscribe, and you know what? We'll see you at the next video. Boy, that's awesome looking.